in this new project, you can see that in here we have the library boxes. This is the main thing that we will be focusing on. So these are the standard boxes. So for the standard boxes, there are a lot of applications that we can use for humanoid. The audio means the things regarding sound and voice, and then we have behavior, communication, so we can actually email the robot, so and similar things can be done. Then we can have some kind of flow control, like in programming you can have this if switch and if only, that kind of thing. We can create for wait for signals, and then we can have LED. The eyes of the now can be increased or decreased, the ear, eyes, that kind of things can be increased or decreased, and there are a lot of things. So these are basically blocks, building blocks, like the Lego bricks that we have seen. And then we have this video monitor in which you will be seeing the robot, right? So at the moment, inside the robot we have this behavior 1, which is this one. In the behavior 1 we haven't programmed anything, so we don't see anything. So let's first of all start with how to make the now speak. To do that, we can create an animated say or say, but for this time I'll be creating a say. And so the program will start from here, and you connect it here, and once it is connected, it goes into this tab, and once it is reached the tab, it will execute something, and then it will go out to complete the program. So inside this box we have something like this. When you double click it, you will see, you will go inside that tab, and inside that tab you have another 2 tabs. In here they are asking if we want to do something called, we want to the language that is hello YouTube, hello YouTube, to hello friends, hello YouTube friends, hello YouTube friends. And this is what our robot will be saying, and here it will be saying like this. And inside it you can see it's actually the Python programming for initializing. There is a class which initializes this say text box, and inside the class we have created several functions. There is a function that initializes various APIs, and then it will load something, and once the program is run, it will be unloading, so that it will destroy this. It's actually a destructor kind of thing. It will release all the data that is not necessary after the program runs, and then there will be a function which will execute, which is used for execution of all the things that we have programmed. And then these are the tag for creating, to call the stop function as well. So these are basically the Python which you don't need to worry about, because we can see that text is all that we need. Now this is the say box that we are inside, and when you click here, it will move back to the say box. And then in the say, so now we have programmed the thing for the robot to say. So we should be connecting the now by clicking on this tab, and then you can see that there is a now which is a virtual now. That's why there is dots. And once you select the now, you can select it. You are already connected to. Are you sure you want to restart? So you are restarting the system. You are restarting it, and then now you will start to play. Then you can see that So here is the Navo. Here is our Navo buddy, and then let's try to play it, and then you can see. So what happened? So let's see. Hello YouTube friends. So he's able to talk to you about hello YouTube friends, right? So we'll disconnect it. So the Navo is gone, and when you connect it, the Navo is activated. Yay. And then once you play it will say this. So in this episode we have taught Navo to speak, and the next episode I'll be teaching you how to make the Navo sit or move. If you haven't already, feel free to subscribe so that you can watch the next episodes in this YouTube channel.